What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, March 28th, and today you're coming with me to Costco. We're in Sharon, Massachusetts, a brand new warehouse that just opened up about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and we are going to find some clearance products at this store. And I do have that brand new camera mounted right on top of the shopping cart, so you are coming with me today. And yes, I did pick up this camera over at Costco.com at an amazing price. I have the DJI Osmo Action 4. Now this is their camera bundle set, a very nice set that does include a mini extension rod and a 128 gig flash drive. Now today, this camera does have a long-lasting battery life, and the image quality is amazing at 4K. As you can see here, this POV action. You can pick up this camera right now at Costco.com for $199.99. And starting the video off in the number one spot from Ninja, we have their foodie. Now check out this deal. Now keep in mind, friends, this warehouse that I'm currently at just opened up this year, March 12th, 2025. Today's only the 28th, so this warehouse has only been open just shy over 2 weeks, and we already have some clearance. Right in front of us, the Ninja Foodie, their 10-in-1 air fryer. It does have that flip-up feature that everyone loves. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, so much more with it. Pretty awesome. Now it does include an air fry basket, a wire rack, a sheet pan, even the broil rack. So this is a pretty easy air fryer to clean. You pull out that crumb tray and you're good to go. On clearance today for $99.97. And moving along, next up, let's take a walk right down the aisle. In the number 2 spot this time, we have the very popular Cuisinart. This is their variable speed immersion blender directly in front of us. Now it does include a food processor and a chef's whisk as well. That's a different attachment. You just attach it right on and you're good to go. And let's go over some of its main features. It does have a 4-cup food processor ready to slice, shred, chop, and mix. And it even includes that whisk and beaker, which we can see here on display. Pretty nice little kit here. It gives you a nice convenient storage bag. You can tuck everything in the storage bag and you are good to go. Now it does have that detachable bending shaft with a stainless steel blade and blade guard. It's very convenient. It has 400 watts and you can pick it up today for $29.97. That's about 25% less than the original cost. And we are definitely getting the steps, and today we have another clearance item. Let me park the cart. Another awesome clearance product spotted here at the warehouse. We have the Coda 3-shelf utility cart. Now this does have a pull-out tray, which is nice. It has a 500 weight capacity, which is pretty awesome. Has that beautiful wood top. Has a nice slide-out metal tray that I did mention. At the bottom has nice 4-inch wheel casters, which is pretty awesome. 2 of those casters have brakes on them. Now they do include some pegboards and J-hooks, giving you a little more variety here. Now today you can pick it up. Check out that price. $49.97. Do not forget about the item number in the bottom right corner so you can check your local warehouse. I am guessing that pretty much most of you know by now that we are doing a giveaway that does end April 1st. If you'd like to enter, just watch till the end of this video. I do explain it. Now we are going to head back down to the TV section because I did spot some clearance, so let's head there now. In the number 4 spot, this time from Samsung, we have their Q72D series. Now this is their QLED 4K TV. It has 120 Hz. It's a smart TV. Also, it does include Allstate's 3-year protection plan, so that means you get a total of 5 years of coverage when you do include Samsung's warranty. So 5 years of total coverage. Also, a nice little bonus, $115 value. You get a Paramount Plus and you get a $50 Xbox gift card. That's a value of $115 total, which is pretty great. So this TV is on clearance for $749.97. And then directly behind me in the number 5 spot from Sony, we have their Bravia 3 series, a little bit smaller at 55 inches. But if you are confused which TV is better than another, I did put out the top 20 TVs you can buy here at Costco. So you should watch that video before you do make a purchase. So this TV is pretty great. Why? Because it's on clearance, obviously, has a 3-year warranty. Also, that's included, has Sony's 2-year Sony Pictures Core streaming, and it also includes 10 movie credits, which is great. Has that beautiful 4K HDR image, $399.97 on clearance. In the number 6 spot, this time from Microsoft, we have their Surface Pro Copilot Plus, their PC bundle set. It's a 13-inch laptop with a resolution of 2880 by 1920. It's touchscreen. It has that Snapdragon X Plus, a 10-core processor, Windows 11 preloaded, 1 terabyte hard drive with 16 gigs of RAM. We can see here it's on clearance for $1,399.97. We have 2 different colors available, but here at the warehouse, they only have the graphite. Definitely wait till this drops underneath $1,000. In the number 7 spot, this time from Xfinity, we have their X1 dual power focus and flashlight. Now it does have 5,000 lumens, so it is pretty powerful. Dual power, meaning it does have a rechargeable lithium battery. Also, you can put AA batteries in there as well. So you have dual power, which is great. Now, I was thinking about grabbing a couple of these for our next giveaway. Either this or maybe those Duracell flashlights. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Should I buy them both? Should I just buy the Duracell? Now, these you can pick up for $19.97. Now, if you do love Greek food or maybe you have a sweet tooth, definitely try these out. In the number 8 spot, we have the Greek wedding cookies, the kyriberis. These are delicious. They're like powdered butter cookies. They have nice toasted pieces of almond. They have that light dusted of powdered sugar on them. They're pretty nice. They're on clearance. Now, they do have a decent amount of calories, so keep that in mind. One cookie is 160 calories, 18 grams of carb. It does have 3 added grams of sugar per cookie and 4 grams of protein. So here we have it. These are delicious. We have 33.5 ounces of cookies, and they're on clearance. Not a bad price at all at $9.97. I would definitely pick up a box if you never tried them. They're pretty delicious. Greek cookies, $9.97. I did leave the item code in the bottom right corner. In the number 9 spot, this time from PermaSteel, we have their Power Tool Organizer. Now, in the beginning, when this first was released, I wasn't a huge fan of it, especially the price, but at this price point, it's definitely a must-buy in my opinion. It's pretty awesome at $25. You can't go wrong. It's 24.5 inches long, has 2 different layers, great to hold all your tools. Heavy duty steel, look at that, looks pretty grazing. Now it has 6 different drill holders, which is great. 4 outlet power strip, and has 2 USB ports. You can pick it up now on clearance for only $24.97. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are a new channel, so we do need all the support and help we can get. Enter our giveaway because it's completely free. We like to cover the best deals here at Costco, Amazon, and Sam's Club, so don't miss out on any of those deals every week. Right in front of us, we have the very popular Donkey Kong for the Nintendo Switch on clearance. A great game to pick up, especially at this price point. Not bad at all. Selling out already at a lot of stores. You can pick it up here for $39.97. Now remember, friends, this makes a great gift. If you have any loved ones who like to play video games, this is a great gift at a great price. And then to the right, if you don't want to pick up that game, or maybe you have it already, don't forget about the Joy-Cons. These are also on clearance as well. Makes another great gift. If you don't have them and you need extras at this price point, why not? Now these are selling very fast, as well as the Donkey Kong, so make sure you grab them before they're gone. This is a great price at $49.97. Now, just around the corner, I do want to show you the scissors from Scotch 3M. These scissors are awesome. I did pick them up the other day. They're 8-inch scissors, and we do get a 3 count here. Now, these are on clearance, and they're pretty great. If you have them at your local warehouse, definitely pick them up for this price point. They're $6.97. And then right below it, don't forget about the Post-its on sale. We have the 3x3 and we have the 4x6. So the 3x3, we get 2,400 sheets in total. The 4x6, we get 1,000 sheets. So these are both a great deal. They're selling pretty quickly. These are both on sale for $9.97 on clearance. You could choose either or. They're both $9.97. So right above it, we also have the Zebra 33-piece journal and gift set. Now this gift set is pretty awesome. Has double-ended highlighters, has the marker pen, the gray journal, don't forget about that, glitter highlighters, washi tapes, even has double-ended brush pens. A great price here. You can pick it up for $19.97. In the number 15 spot, I definitely could use this item from my charge. We have their Power Max 15,000 milliamp hours. Now this is their all-in-one charge here. Has everything pretty much built into it. It has the lightning cable built in, the USB-C cable built into it, so you don't need to carry around any cables. Just plug and go. Has a built-in wall charger for convenient recharging. You can pick it up here for $29.97, up to 90 hours of additional power at once. And now we have the Lexar 1TB portable solid state hard drive. Now this is mag attachment compatible, which is pretty cool. Now it is IP54, so it's dust and water resistant. You can drop it up to 2 meters. Has that thermal control for optimal temperatures. Pretty nice looking hard drive here. Not bad at $47.97. I do expect it to drop a little bit more. In the number 17 spot, this time from Anchor, we have their Maggo. Now this item is definitely not on clearance, but it did sneak through the cracks and made it into today's video. We have their magnetic wireless charging. Now these power banks do have 5,000 milliamp hours. Now we do get a 2-pack today, 7.5 watts charging capacity. These are very travel friendly. You can walk around with them, put them in your pocket. Today, these have been marked discontinued. A 2-pack, $10 off at $29.99. Definitely keep your eye on that product. It will drop on clearance as soon as that deal is over. And this next one, we have the Blink Outdoor 4th generation. We have the battery extension pack here. Now these are pretty decent camera, not the greatest, but check out that price, not bad at all, because this does have the extension battery pack, which is pretty cool. Now you can pick up this camera today for on clearance for $49.97. Not bad at all. That's about 50% off. You can also pick it up at Costco.com for pretty much the same price at $49.99. And then right below it, we also have the Nest Learning Thermostat. Now, I couldn't find this on display, but check out that price, $139.97. See if you have it at your local warehouse. Grab the item number, give them a call, and let's move on to the number 19 spot. Here it is from Atomi. We do have their 2-pack of power cubes. Now, I did get a little bit mixed reviews when it comes to these products, so let me know your thoughts in the comments if you do own it yourself. Me personally, I have something similar from Anchor, which I do love. Now, my power cords don't come detached. These, you can actually detach them from the power cord. You can plug it directly into the outlet. These have been on clearance for quite some time now, but you can pick up this 2-pack for $19.97. And then right above it in the number 20 spot from Epson, we have the ET2850. Finally, a nice price drop. It's only $50, but I do suspect it's going to drop under $100. That's what I'm waiting for. The original clearance price was $199.97. They did bring it down just a little bit. Now this printer, it's an all-in-one. You can print, copy, scan, and fax. Pretty great. Now the reviews on it are decent. I did buy it myself. I wasn't a huge fan of it. I do suggest buying up, but if it drops under $100, it's definitely a go. Right now, it's $149.97. And then just down the aisle, let's go take a look at the iPack Puffy Totes. Now these bags originally, I think they were about $50. Well, they're still $50 at Costco.com. Right now, you can pick them up for $19.97, a pretty decent price drop. Now these do have a padded laptop pocket that does fit up to a 15-inch laptop. Now it definitely looks a lot better in person than in the pictures, but right now, a nice price drop at $19.97. And then we do have another price drop in the number 22 spot, this time from NutriBullet. We have their Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender. Now this blender does include 4 cups, has 2 24 ounces and 2 32 ounces, 3 flip-top lids, and 4 stainless steel straws are included. It does have a nice compact design, as you can see. Pretty nice looking blender in my opinion. It did sell out at Costco.com when it was on clearance for $79.97, but we do have a nice price drop in the warehouse at $59.97. Now I do like this blender. I like the compact design. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. $59.97 on clearance. Moving on to the number 23 spot, this time from SunSmart, we have our Total Blackout window panel curtains. Now these curtains are 52 by 84 inches in length. We do get a 2-pack here. They're lined with blackout fabric, which is great, keeping the sun out of your home, keeping your home warm in the winter times and cool in the summer times. We have 3 different color variants. We have the silver, brown, and blue. At my local warehouse, seems like all we have the blue is available. Now these are machine washable as well. They have the grommets on the top. They're on clearance for $14.97. And now in the number 24 spot, finally a decent price drop from Intertech. Now these were $19.97 on clearance. They did drop a little bit more down to $14.97. Last year when they dropped down to this price point, they sold very, very quickly. Now this is Intertech LED color changing rope lights. Now these do include a remote control. We get a 2-pack. Each length of rope is 18 feet, so 36 feet in total. 12 different color settings, 8 different animations. The remote control is included, $14.97. In the number 25 spot from Bayside, we have an awesome manager special. We have their wooden daybed. Now this daybed is made out of rubber wood solids, has a birch veneer. Now it does fit a standard size twin size mattress. You can see here it does have that beautiful white finish to it. It's hand applied, has a multi-step finish. Those legs on it is made out of solid wood, which is pretty nice. Now the bed was on clearance for $149.97, a manager special for only $50. And we still have a few different art carpets available, this time from Arbella. We have their area rug collection here. Now these are 5x7 area rugs. Pretty amazing price when you see it. Now these area rugs do look pretty awesome in my opinion, but they are 100% polyester. They have that beautiful transitional design. They're soft to the touch. You can pick them up at Costco.com. The 5x7 is $129.99. It's on clearance here at the warehouse. Check out that price, $39.97. And then directly behind me on the outer perimeter of the store, we have their king-size bed from Universal Broadmoor in the number 27 spot. Now this bed does go for almost $1,000 at Costco.com. It's constructed out of hardwood solids and has a beautiful walnut veneer. But here at the warehouse, you can pick it up for a fraction of the cost. A few left at my local warehouse, but I do believe it's going to drop on a manager special pretty soon. We still have a bunch of left, as you can see there. You can pick it up now for $199.97. And don't just click off yet, friends. We're almost done with the video. Just a couple more items to go. Remember, next week we have a great video coming out with what's new here at Costco, Costco's new arrivals. If you are enjoying today's video and you want to support the channel, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below. Let me know if you like the little action camera mounted on top of the shopping cart. It's a pretty cool view in my opinion. Another manager special, this time in the number 28 spot, we have their 11 bottle wine rack. Now this wine rack does come in two different variations, the gold and the black. Both of them look great in my opinion. It's made 100% from iron. Now you can position the wine rack either horizontal or vertical like it's shown right here on display. Both the black and the gold look great in my opinion. Now the original price was $18.99. Now it's on a manager special for $12 even. How do you know it's a manager special? Because it ends in a 00. And finally, in the number 29 spot, this time from Mechanics, we have their winter gloves that do come in a 2-pack here. We have medium, large, and XL. This is a great price for these gloves. These gloves are awesome. Definitely pick them up for next year. You really can't go wrong. This price drop is excellent. You can pick them up now for $9.97. Pick up a few pairs, save them for next year, give them away as presents. $9.97, you can't go wrong. Alright friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share it with a friend. Don't forget to enter our giveaway. I am going to go over the giveaway in just a few seconds, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I am going to do maybe another Amazon video, or I might just take the weekend off. I'm not too sure. Get a little family time. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and stay tuned for the giveaway details in just a second. And for those of you who are new to the channel, if you didn't know, I'm giving away this Lego backpack and luggage set. It's completely free to enter. It's a value of $114.99. All I ask is for you to subscribe to my channel, enter the giveaway. It's completely free. All the links will be over on my Amazon video. So I am going to leave a link to my Amazon video. Click that link, watch my Amazon video. All the details there will be available. Now, once again, the giveaway is completely free. Just subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, support me, and I am going to do this giveaway. If you have a thought for another giveaway, leave a comment below. Why not? So friends, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, like, comment, share, hit that like button, support my channel. Thank you very much. So I am going to put up right on the screen right here a couple more videos you can watch. Watch my Amazon video to enter the giveaway. Watch my Costco online clearance deals if you love clearance. And I'll put one more video that you can watch. Watch any one of those videos and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace.